to install a Dominator DECAT.
First off, start by removing your muffler.
Doesn't matter if it's a stock one or an aftermarket. For my Dominator muffler it was just 2 bolts. Now, according to the official Dominator instructions, you're supposed to start by removing the plate. But I figured if I remove the bolts and then cut the exhaust, it might shift or move around too much. So I decided to cut first and then remove the plate. Next, they say you should cut the exhaust behind the weld. But what exactly do they mean by that? Where exactly do you cut it? To play it safe, I decided to cut it to the left of the weld, so I could still trim off more later if needed. I thought that's what they meant, especially since they mention you'll need to grind down the weld. Spoiler alert, you actually need to cut it to the right of the weld, because there's no way you're grinding that weld down unless you take off the entire exhaust, and that was not my plan. Once you've made the cut on the right side of the weld, you'll need to loosen this bolt at the front of the bike. Undo that one and boom, the exhaust should drop down. Then go to the back of the bike and remove this nut on the left side of the plate.
But the problem is you can't reach this one, so you have to do it from the other side. And then from here you can reach it with a long enough ratchet.
And that's it. It should be free. Congrats, you've just stolen your first catalytic converter.
It's off. Should we fire it up? Holy shit, that's loud. This won't slide over here, so I have to grind this down so we can slide it over.
If you already cut it to the right of the weld, you don't need to do this step. I just wanted to show you what I did.
I've been grinding for quite some time now, and it's clear that it's a tube on top of a tube. This, because they're the same diameter. So what I'm going to do is cut off here, so that all this thick layer is gone and we are left with a thin piece.
So this is what you should have done from the start, but hey, now you won't waste time figuring it out like I did. You're welcome. After that, I cleaned up the edges a bit, and then you can slide the DECAT pipe on and bolt it into place.
I actually put it the other way around, so it's easier to access from here. We have this one.
Finally, slide the muffler back on, and congratulations, you can now know your neighbors. Before we test the sound without a catalytic converter, just a quick warning, it's really loud. But even without a loud exhaust, wind noise alone can reach around 100 decibels at 120 km an hour. That's enough to cause permanent hearing damage in under 10 minutes, especially on a naked bike like this. I personally use Alpine earplugs. They've been working really well for me, and I've added a link in the description if you're interested. I highly recommend spending a little money to protect your hearing, because tinnitus is no joke.